Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another book video. In case you all don't know me, I'm Dipanshi and I love to read and talk about books. And since you all know that the off-campus series has completely taken over the Instagram, I read the series back like a long time back and I specifically stopped on book number 3. But since like I said, it is blowing all over the internet, I could not stop myself from picking it up again, and here we are. So in this particular video, I'll basically rank the off-campus books from my most favorite to my least favorite. So without wasting another minute, let's get into the video and rank all the books. So my first pick has to be The Mistake. Okay, it was a favorite of mine when I read it for the very first time, and it is a favorite of mine now also. This one follows the story of Grace and Logan, who accidentally met when Logan knocked on Grace's dorm room thinking that this was somebody else's room, and they instantly hit off. They watched a movie together, they had some fun, and they also fooled around a couple of times over the weeks or something like that. And then one mistake on Logan's part completely left Grace heartbroken, and now over the summer she has had the time to get over that thing and to become a bit older and wiser, and now that she is back, she really does not want anything to do with this guy. Okay, and she has made it very clear that she will not go out with him ever again. Okay, but Logan is adamant about getting another chance. He has spent the entirety of his summer break just regretting that one mistake, and he is just groveling and he's after her, and he is just like he's putting in a lot of efforts to get another chance, and then eventually she gives in and she hands him over a list of things that he needs to do, and only then she will agree to go on a date with him. Okay, देखा जाए तो this is a very simple सी very cute सी romance book, and वो इतना ही है. Okay, like this book does not have a lot of plot apart from a little bit on Logan's side, like his issues with his father and some career issues. But uske alawa, this was pretty much it. And I love this book. This is a second chance romance where he grovels. It is a hockey romance, found family, strangers to lovers. I completely adore it. It is one of my favorites, and it is a 4.5 stars for me. Okay. Moving on to my next favorite, which is The Deal. Now, The Deal follows the story of Garrett Graham, and Hannah Wells. Hannah is a music major. She has a lot going on in her life right now. She's doing multiple jobs, and she also wants to get the scholarship. So yeah, she's like pretty busy. Logan, no, Grace, no. Garrett, on the other hand, is this guy. He's the captain of the hockey team. His only focus right now is on his hockey career, and he does not have time for relationships and stuff. But the only problem is that he's failing one of the papers that he needs to pass in, and coincidentally, Hannah is the only person who aced that particular paper. Like, while everybody managed to pass, or even they basically managed to get an D or C, she was the only one who got an A plus. And the moment Garrett finds this out, he's after her, and he's seriously begging her to tutor him. But like I said, she does not have the time. But Garrett, being Garrett, he finds a loophole. So the thing is that this girl Hannah, she likes this guy named Justin, and Justin doesn't even know that Hannah exists. Okay, so now Garrett put forward the deal that we'll fake date for a while, and this will bring you to the popular crowd. There might be a possibility that Justin will catch your attention, and then तुम्हारा जो भी है वो हो सकता है. Okay, and this was a very good plan, and she sort of agrees. So for the next couple of weeks, they go along with it. They basically faked it in front of everybody, and she also tutors him, and while doing this, they become really good friends and they fall in love. Okay, this was also a very good book, and I really understand why girls dig Garrett Graham. Yeah, this book had some other things too. Okay, some things with Hannah's past and things with Garrett's father's issues and something like that. Okay, so yeah, but you need to read this, and I'll not spoil it. So this was also a very good book, a solid 4 stars for me. And this is fake dating, friends to lovers. She tutors him, he falls first, and hockey romance, found family, college setting. A very good book. Okay, so yes. In the third spot, we have Discord. Actually, Ali and Dean were the reason why I picked this series up for good. मैंने पहले इनकी story कभी complete नहीं की थी, and I really wanted to know what their story was about. So I started to read it again. So the score follows the story of, like I said, Ali and Dean. Ali has just come out of her on again, off again, relationship of 2 or 3 years, and Dean is the notorious playboy of the group. Okay, he's all about the fun. Okay, he is the guy who does casual cups and stuff. Okay, so now Ali is desperate to avoid this guy, her ex, and she wants the place to crash, which of course is Garrett's, where she goes and she meets this guy Dean. like वो पहले भी मिली होती है, but they watch a movie together, and before they know, they are basically getting high, and they also end up having a passionate one night stand. The very next day, Ali is furious on herself basically, because she is not the type of girl who does casual hookups. And even though the night was very 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 good, she cannot let this happen another time. Okay, so they basically agree that they will not speak of it ever again, and for them this night basically never happened. Okay, but Dean has other plans. He become a bit obsessed with Ali, and he's desperate for another night, like for another chance. So he keeps on messaging her, but Ali declines because, like I said, for her intimacy and relationships, they go hand in hand. Okay, now she does not have a boyfriend, and she really needs to have, and she really needs to get over him. She basically gives in, and they agree to a friends with benefits kind of relationship, where it is, well, this will be a secret. Okay, so basically nobody would know, because it will hamper the whole group. Okay, Ali's best friend is Hannah, and Garrett and Dean, they're also like very good friends. And if Dean will break Ali's heart, then he will also break Hannah's heart, which will also break Garrett's heart, something like that. Okay, and then Dean will be the one who will be beaten, I guess. So yeah, like whatsoever. So yeah, they basically do this secret thing. And this was also a good book, but I was more interested in the show. I don't know why, but like it was good. They showed some other things too in the show, but yeah, but this book is also pretty heavy, so you need to check the triggers, and also for book number 2. Okay, like the D. Sorry, yeah, you also need to check the triggers for the D, because सब कुछ उसमें भी है drama. So yes, this was the score. It is a 3.5 stars, I guess. I did enjoy it. Okay, I did enjoy it, but yeah, I was just hoping कि कुछ ज़्यादा होगा because of all the hype they created over the Instagram. So yeah. But it was a good book. Okay, I did enjoy my time while reading this one. Also, this is the Friends with Benefits Secret Relationship Golden Retriever into Black Cat. I loved this one also. Yes. Moving on to my last book. Like this was the book that was not a favorite of mine at all. It is The Goal. Okay, now The Goal follows the story of Tucker and Sabrina. Sabrina is this career-oriented girl who wants to get out of the hellhole that her life is. She has her whole life mapped out. Okay, that she'll complete college, she'll get into Harvard, and then she'll go to a very good law firm. Okay, that is what her life will sound like in a few years. And Tucker, on the other hand, is easily the most kindest guys and the most sweetest guys of all the off-campus boys. He met Sabrina in a party, and since both of them were not looking for anything serious, they hooked up. And Sabrina isn't the type of girl who basically sleeps with the same guy twice, but there was something about Tucker that she was drawn to. And before they know anything, they're spending a lot of time together. They are hooking up had se zyada and stuff. But midway through the book, they basically find out that they are pregnant, and the rest of the book is just them navigating this stuff. It's just them navigating this stuff. Okay, the only problem with this book was that this had the miscommunication trope. Okay, see, it was very obvious that they both love each other. Okay, like it was pretty damn obvious. Okay, but Sabrina, she was basically trying to distance herself from him, because the baby was enough reason for Tucker to drop his dreams and just take care of them, and she did not want to be another reason for the same. So she was just trying to distance herself from him. And Tucker on the other hand, yeah, and Tucker on the other hand, was of course in love with her, but he was just waiting for the right time, because he knew jab wo confess karega, she'll basically run for her life. Okay, yeah, this sort of irritated me the most. Okay, so yeah, this was also an accidental pregnancy, strangers to lovers. He is a southern gentleman. Okay, and please, okay, I was basically listening to the audiobook of this book, and the amount of times that I've smiled listening to the word darling was like, I just cannot even tell you. Okay, it sounded very good, seriously. Okay, so yeah, he's a southern gentleman, and that is it, I guess. So yeah, this was my ranking for the off-campus book. The first place has to be The Mistake, then The Deal, then The Score, and then The Goal. Okay, so this was what the video was about, and I'm starting to read Thoda Bahut Aur again, so I'll come up with the videos, and I guess that is it. So thank you, bye.